Hey guys, Mr. Fogel here. I am so pumped because today we get to talk about a really cool subject. I'm so excited because it's super connected to the real world, to real life, and I can't wait to tell you. Today we're learning about writing equations using a graph.
Hey Brett,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
I'm doing my video lesson.
But I don't get it. Writing equations from graphs has nothing to do with real life.
Are you crazy? It has everything to do with real life. Like, have you even watched TV lately?
This is Jeopardy! Let's meet today's contestants!
A candle scent tester from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Robert Robertson. A professional skateboarder from somewhere in California, Chad Smith. And our returning champion, a blanket fort engineer from Seattle, Washington, Jordan Michael, whose two-day cash winnings total $14.44. Here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Trebek.
Welcome everyone. We have a great show for you tonight. Jordan Michael is going to try and defend his run. Let's get to the categories though.
All right, our categories for the first round tonight are things to do at home, important jobs like teaching, hand washing rules, real world math problems, and numbers between 3 and 5. Jordan, you're a returning champion. You get to go first.
All right, let's go with real world math problems for 500.
A two-variable equation representing this graph.
All right, I'd actually like to phone a friend. I'm going to call the smartest person I know, math teacher Brett Fogel.
You can't do that.
Guys, let's jump right into an example. In this lesson, you're given graphs and you need to turn them into tables and then use the tables to write equations. So here's a graph. It says complete the table and write the equation for the relationship shown in the graph. So they fill it out for you, at least one of them. So it says 10, 8. And so if you go over 10 up to 8, there's a point. Then it says 11. So let's go over to 11 because that's the X value. So let's go over to 11 and that goes up to 9. So I'm going to put a 9 for that second spot in the table. So I put my 9 in. And then it says X is 12. So let's see what the Y value is when X is 12. Over to 12 up to, it says 10. So that's my next value in the table. And then last it says 15. So I'm going to go over to 15 and then up to 13. So the Y value is 13. So now I've used the graph to fill out my table. I need to use the table to decide what the equation is. So how does 10 become 8? How does 11 become 9? So these X's are becoming these Y values by subtracting by 2. So the equation is Y equals X minus 2. Use this graph to fill out a table and then use the table to write a two-variable equation. They give you one value from the table, 12, 4. So over 12 up 4. What about 0? So when X is 0, it's through the origin, so Y is also 0. What about 6? Over to 6 up to 2. So that means it's 6 and then 2 for the Y coordinate. And then 18 is the last one. Over to 18 up to 6. Oh, whoops, typed that in the wrong box. So now I've filled out the table. Now I need to write my equation. So it says 0, 0, not sure. Then it goes from 6 to 2, 12 to 4. Oh, the X values are being divided by 3 to get the Y values, which means our equation is Y equals X over 3, and all I did to write that was click on this button right here at the fraction bar. Let's do one more. So in this one, you'll notice that they don't give you a table at all. They give you a graph and then they just go straight to the equation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my own XY table and that'll help me write the equation. So let's pick some points that are very clear on this graph So right here, that point is over 1 up to 2. So we have 1, 2. I'm gonna write that in my table. I'm gonna go back to the graph. I'm gonna find another point that's very clear. How about right here, that's over 2 up to 4. So that point is 2, 4, okay? And then let's just do one more to be safe. So this point here is very clear, and that's over 3 up to 6. So it's 3, 6. So now I can look at my table that I filled out here. What's happening to these x values, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, to get the y values? The x values are being multiplied by 2. So our equation is y equals 2x, okay? Let's hit enter, get that right. Super. Hey guys, I hope that video lesson helped. Please let me know if you have any questions when you're working on this lesson. Feel free to message me on Schoology, and good luck guys. Bye.